lot of descent, and as usual our guide is in free fall. Goes for it down the hills. Still, I do like a waterfall. On the onward trail. There's a bit of corn going on there. Very nice. Time for a short break. We have travelled a long way down on steps like that. All the time.
This mountain behind the Annapurna ABC. Annapurna Base Camp.
And that's Nimsuli, apparently. Nice. So, finally made it to the bottom. That's 1.5k down, 10k along, but we've made it. Happy days. It's going to go up now. Nice. There's a waterfall. So that's quite cute. I think the cow wants to join the goats. Got another bridge. Oh, looks like we got ourselves Nepalese backcountry traffic jam. Oh, good on.
Lots of steps down and lots of steps up. We're renaming this path as a stairway to heaven. Like in Branscombe, but this is steeper. Right down. That's where we were down in the valley. Still got a long way up.
Those are terraces. Looks like it's lunchtime over there. No.